Welcome to Hamza's Learning for another quiz. Are you ready to find out the national birds of these 50 countries?
What is the national bird of the United States? Bald eagle, flamingo, pelican. Bald eagle. Which bird represents India as its national bird? Kingfisher, peacock, parrot. Peacock. What bird flies as the national bird of Pakistan? Falcon, chukar, owl. Chukar as the national bird of Pakistan? What bird is a symbol of Japan? Crane, swan, green pheasant. Green pheasant. What is the national bird of Canada? Loon, sparrow, eagle. Loon is the national bird of Canada. Which bird is the national bird of Mexico? Sparrow, golden eagle, owl. Can you crack this one? Golden eagle. What is the national bird of New Zealand? Kiwi, ostrich, heron. Kiwi. Which bird is honored as the national bird of South Korea? Magpie, parrot, falcon. This one's tricky. Can you handle it? Magpie. What is the national bird of Australia? Emu, eagle, parakeet. Emu. Which bird is a symbol of Brazil? Macaw, toucan, swallow. Not everyone can answer this, can you? Macaw. What bird represents the Philippines as its national bird? Parrot, eagle, maya. Eagle. Which bird is the national bird of Sri Lanka? Flamingo, jungle fowl, peacock. Can you guess it? Jungle fowl. What is the national bird of Egypt? Cuckoo, owl, falcon. Falcon. Which bird is the symbol of Argentina? Flamingo, Andean condor, woodpecker. Can you figure it out? Andean condor. What bird is honored in France as the national bird? Woodpecker, Gallic rooster, pelican. Gallic rooster. What is the national bird of Germany? Eagle, swan, barn owl. Can you crack this? Eagle. Which bird is the symbol of Norway? Hawk, dipper, pigeon. Dipper. What bird is the national bird of South Africa? Ostrich, blue crane, falcon. Any idea? Blue crane. Which bird is the national bird of Saudi Arabia? Falcon, dove, eagle. Falcon. What is the national bird of Spain? Vulture, eagle, short-toed snake, eagle. Think you've got it. Short-toed snake, eagle. What bird flies as the national bird of Zimbabwe? Canary, eagle, gray-crowned crane. Gray-crowned crane. Which bird is a symbol of Russia? Flamingo, eagle, parrot. This one's tricky. Eagle. What is the national bird of the United Arab Emirates? Sparrow, falcon, flamingo. Falcon. Which bird is honored in the UK as its national bird? Robin, owl, dove. Can you nail it? Robin. What bird is the national bird of Finland? Swan, eagle, crane. Swan. What is the national bird of Sweden? Thrush, blackbird, nightingale. Thrush. Which bird is the symbol of Denmark? Mute swan, stork, crow. Can you crack this one? Mute swan. What bird represents Hungary as its national bird? Woodpecker, turtle, finch. Turtle. What is the national bird of Bangladesh? Crow, magpie, robin, parrot. This one's tricky. Can you handle it? Magpie, robin. Which bird is a symbol of Malaysia? Hornbill, dove, sparrow. Hornbill. What bird is honored as the national bird of Cuba? Flamingo, Cuban trogon, parrot. Not everyone can answer this, can you? Cuban trogon. What is the national bird of Turkey? Peacock, redwing, red-winged thrush. Red-winged thrush. Which bird represents Kenya as its national bird? Ostrich, lilac-breasted roller, parrot. Can you guess it? Lilac-breasted roller. What is the national bird of Colombia? Condor, hummingbird, finch. Condor. Which bird is a symbol of Costa Rica? Quetzal, parrot, toucan. Can you figure it out? Quetzal. What bird represents Iceland as its national bird? Falcon, puffin, hawk. Falcon. What is the national bird of Ireland? Eagle, lapwing, woodcock. Can you crack this? Lapwing. Which bird is a symbol of Greece? Owl, parrot, crane. Owl is a symbol of Greece. What bird flies as the national bird of Peru? Condor, parrot, swallow. Any idea? Condor. What is the national bird of Thailand? Siamese fireback, peacock, dove. Siamese fireback. Which bird is the national bird of Chile? Andean condor, owl, flamingo. Think you've got it. Andean condor. What bird is the national bird of Venezuela? Troupial, flamingo, parrot. Troupial. Which bird represents Panama as its national bird? Harpy eagle, hummingbird, toucan. This one's tricky. Harpy eagle. What bird is the national bird of Israel? Hoopoe, falcon, crane. Hoopoe. Which bird is honored in Myanmar as the national bird? Peacock, owl, eagle. Can you nail it? Peacock. What bird represents Singapore as its national bird? Crimson sunbird, dove, crow. Crimson sunbird. What bird is the national bird of Croatia? Nightingale, owl, falcon. Nightingale. Which bird is the national bird of Austria? Eagle, peacock, blackbird. Eagle. What is the national bird of the Netherlands? Black-tailed godwit, owl, swan. Black-tailed godwit. What bird is the national bird of Poland? White-tailed eagle, swallow, stork. White-tailed eagle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.